guys, it's Friday the 28th, and somebody just challenged me to a 1 hour challenge. We're going to have a 1 hour challenge today. Let's go out and see if we can find something in 1 hour, and whoever gets the most or best wins.
Yeah, because we got a blizzard hitting us.
Yeah, we got a blizzard coming in a little while. Yeah, so we got some things to get done. But
so I thought we'd do a 1 hour challenge.
Yep. Yeah, makes sense. Get home in time so we don't have to deal with the snow.
Yes, exactly.
All right, guys. Wish us luck. 1 hour. Bye. All right, guys. We're about ready to get started. We set it to 1 hour and 5 minutes so we can spend, make sure we're all set up here, ready to go. And in an hour, we'll be done, and we'll see who wins.
Good luck.
Thank you, guys. Okay, guys. First signal. Okay, just a little cap, a little foil. Let's go.
All right, first target. Here we go, right next to my glove. 7, 6. Let's see what we get.
Okay, my first good signal. And I got a zinc in. Let's keep going.
All right, usual 6, 7. Move on.
All right, guys, just dug a red copper cent. Let's keep going. Okay, guys, another 20, 22, 23. Yeah, we got another penny.
All right, here we go. Signal 2. Yes, I know, it's iron. But we're on the 1 hour challenge to see who gets what. Let's find out what I get. All right, one piece of something rusty. There we go. Big nap. There's still something else in the hole.
Okay, 26, 28. I think I see it on the surface here. Another penny, ringing up kind of high. Okay, my first quarter signal. Got it in the scoop. I'll pull up quarters and pennies. Kathy's probably pulling up rings. All right, let's keep going.
It is right here in this seeing rustiness. Feeling around. It's supposed to be in here someplace. No, that's not it. Here it is, right here. Another big nail.
Here's another signal, coin signal. 25 to 28.
Got another nail.
All right, it's a dime. It was very deep. I was worried I got a pipe or something off the building I'm nearby. All right, let's keep going. Hey guys, I got a little hole here. So I'm getting a few coins here. Should be right in the pile there. Yep, just missed it. I see it right there. All right, another dime. This one's a little more beat up. See what else we can get. You guys, I just found this little tiny fish, this plastic fish that's sitting on the ground. It was a bead. You can see the hole in the back of it. So I got a little fish bead here. I can see its little mouth and everything. Try to get him in focus. There we go. It's a tiny little fish bead. Let's keep going.
All right, just dug a 4. And looks like it's another one of those pulley things from the bottle. Okay, just dug an 8. It's a tiny piece of something. I don't know what it is. We'll take a look at it later. Okay, not for nothing. Ketchup packets are not supposed to be 2s.
Okay, there's a little fishing slide here. Rank up as a 1.
Okay, shallow 3. And it's foil.
Okay, 24 to 26 here, guys. Get the glove back on. Okay, got it in the scoop. Bouncing around in there. And I got it. Another red penny. Let's keep going. See Kathy digging up targets down below me. Well, back behind me.
Okay, just dug a one. I think it's a ball of chewing gum wrapper, or at least some little bitty aluminum foil. Okay, got another one of those Surface 18s. This one doesn't have a label on it though. Today's toy is brought to you by the letter P for purple. What is it? A penguin? No! The letters P and J for purple jellyfish. Okay, just dug a shallow 3 and we got a piece of junk. All right, I am on a new target. Let's see if we can get this focused for you so you can see it. There we are. Okay, there it is. There's my BDI. It's ranging between a 19 and a 25. It's deep. It could be one of those alcohol bottles again. We'll see. Okay, pulled it out. It's something odd.
High tide, I don't think you see in front of me. There's a bunch of ducks in the water. Seagulls are on a jetty. Keep looking for a seal. I haven't seen a seal in a while, but let's get back to the 30 signal in front of me. I'm actually down closer to the water right now, even though there's a lot of targets up behind me. I'm trying to get something a little bigger, hoping to get a jewelry score. There's my quarter. Yep, quarter. All right, let's keep going.
Pickleball, anyone? Okay, deep 9, 10. Here we go. One of those juice things.
All right, guys, I got a 30 signal here. We got about 9 minutes left in our challenge. Kathy's over there behind dunes now. I started off doing pretty good, and then I kind of everything kind of went south on me, you know, and I found a nice black sand area. I'm just expecting kind of more, and just not happening. I had south of me there's dune system, artificial dunes, and that was kind of there was stuff in there. But when I tried the dunes to the north, I wasn't really getting anything. Well, it kind of makes sense. Last storm was a nor'easter, so it would blow things to the south, but that's the way Kathy went, so I'm not going, you know, I don't want to crowd her. So let's keep going. There's Kathy working her way up towards us. There's a shell line down there, and I've been through there. I got mostly junk out of shell line. But she's working her way back up towards me. Actually, it looks like there's a snow squall to the south. But we're almost done. Let's keep going. A penny right here. Kathy's digging a deep hole right next to me. There we go, another zigging.
Oh my gosh, I just dug a 12-13, and guess what it is? It's actually a nickel!
All right, guys, we got a minute 30. Kathy's working on the signal. Nope, just my foot. So, does an old flip-flop count? Buried in the dunes here. There's a lot of trash buried in here. Construction debris and all types of stuff.
Okay, it looks like this might be my last signal in the challenge. And where is it? It's whatever this is. So I knew this would happen. I'd find my best signal. Whoops, I dropped it. Oh man, I'll find it. Anyway, you saw it. I hope you did. I'll find it. Where'd it go? Oh, it fell back in the scoop. Silly. There it is. See? On the way off the beach after time expired.
Guys, we're all done with our 1 hour challenge.
Yep.
And
we have our stuff all set up on a picnic table.
I headed north, Kathy headed south.
Yep.
And
I didn't get as far as I wanted to go, but
yeah,
I'll have to start farther south next time.
Yeah, I know where you wanted to go. We'll do that next time. That's kind of the middle.
Time.
We did the south end, we're doing the north end. Well, at least part of the north end,
yes,
then we're going to do the middle. So, what do you think?
I say let's show everybody, and
yeah,
number. I think you beat me.
Yeah, but, but that's okay. I got one big coin pocket of what I got into. So
that's how it goes sometimes.
Yep. So let's show everybody what we got. Kathy got this ball.
Yep.
And a little glug glug. The little tiny pieces of metal that drive you crazy. Pretty sure what that is.
Yeah.
You got some metal. You got a nickel in the surf, which is nice.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
And you got the cool octopus guy.
Jellyfish.
Oh, I'm sorry, jellyfish. Yep, sorry.
That's all right.
And they come over here. I got junk. This is actually a little jig head. I don't know. This rang up, so I got a feeling it's like something's inside there, something metal. I don't know if it's a remote control of a car or something. But
no key fob.
that's it. Yeah, I think it's like a key fob.
Yeah.
I got 3 quarters, 6 pennies, 2 dimes, 1 little fishing slide,
and a fishy.
and my little tiny fishy. And it's pink, so that's yours now. Yep.
Oh, thanks.
Yep. But you know, storm's coming.
Yeah.
And
it hasn't started snowing yet. Woohoo!
Well, at least we're getting, you know, in the summertime here, we didn't even get this much. So,
no, that's true.
So
this
place, you know, very picky. You get some nice stuff occasionally, but you gotta really work this beach here. But you know what? We haven't hit this section, so we gotta hit it. So
yeah.
So you gotta move back and forth. So, you know, beaches open up, beaches close up. So same bat time, same bat channel.
Stay safe, everybody.
Yeah, we'll be out hunting next week again. So yep. Once we can wade through the snow. So, yep. All right, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, Tim and I have been home for about 45 minutes. And it's snowing. Oops. And here's our neighborhood after the snowstorm.